Hello everyone. The solution we propose is climate intelligent green infrastructure. We are Team Paripose. Paripose was incorporated to provide mechanisms for sustainable development through technological, financial, and policy interventions. Myself, Arindam Bhattacharjee. The problem that we are trying to solve is how does sustainable workspace interact with the nature? Can a workspace build a symbiotic relationship with the ecosystem? This we build on the ideas of Indian nature of Zen that we are working on. Apart from this, the thing that we want to engage is whether the workspace could encourage out of box thinking, which encourages mindfulness and mindlessness practices of Zen. The way I researched the problem was I extensively traveled through many monasteries in India and helped publish a book on the first Zen patriarch Bodhidharma to understand the design elements of Zen. And from the technology side, worked on fractal geometry based algorithms to build building simulations and thus understand the sustainable solutions for the building and have designed a solution for a Le Méridien hotel using these technologies to actually adapt to climate changes. So the basic research methodology in the field of infrastructure is mostly CO2 emissions, but we also target uh, behavioral changes of the occupants. So we have already developed the software tools to build the simulations, and I was also part of a team which designed the smart village solution in India. And that's an interaction which becomes a symbiotic relationship that I was talking about. Plus, I have also designed a Zen monastery near Bangalore uh, to help inculcate behavioral changes. The biggest test for measuring sustainability is the parameters of happiness that Indian nature of Zen indicates. We have our own tools to understand how happy an individual is. Hopefully, by 6 to 8 months, we will be able to build up energy simulation solutions. But behavioral changes may take time, but those can be monitored. Uh, the areas where we need expertise, and I've worked with Columbia Engineering Department, are basically energy simulations and sensor deployments in the building. Overall, of course, we assume less CO2 emissions. Carbon negative infrastructure would be very good in a symbiotic solutions and happy individuals. Hopefully, after this pilot, we would be able to build an automated solution which could be deployed in different infrastructure solutions in India. We have already done one, which is Le Méridien. Uh, that's the revenue part is little tricky because the idea of energy infrastructure sustainability has not caught up in India, and so we cannot give the numbers for this. But hopefully, we'll make enough revenues after an year. Uh, the technology evolution is obviously from CO2 emissions, but of course we have our own experience rates to understand individuals' happiness. That is the biggest benefit of a project like this, which we can measure using in the Indian nature of Sun. That would be our side of the presentation. Thank you.